Never seen it like that. I'm outside Harvey Norman's here. There's Southie's, the mechanic place, and there's the Patrick Street Bridge. And that's the Woolworths underground car park. They're pumping all the water out. That's the bridge there, see? And there's Charlene's place over there. That basement's underwater. I painted that place. We're having fun here today. That'd be really deep, that water. Really deep. Flying fast. Flying really fast. No! Backyard. Water came up another 6 inches here. This is underneath a house. Lucky they're up on stilts, these houses. The water came up past the thighs. Went up to that letterbox there. Right up the street. Now that's only a creek. See, it's gone up one step. Would have been a major flood to get right up top, but this is a mile creek down here. And they reckon that it was a moderate flood, just under 3.2. 3.5 is moderate, which would have hit 3.5 metres, which would have hit all the low-lying houses. But right at the moment, 3.2 was just off. So there was a bit of inundation happening here and there. A few houses by the creek would have got done. But that creek is way down there past those trees. Way down there past those trees. Good place to swim around there, the canoe at the moment, mind you. Last night, some kids got caught in a tree for 4 hours before they could hoist them out. They went down in an inflatable, capsized. The rescue men capsized as well, and they ended up in the same tree. They had to be pulled out by a helicopter. Very interesting, very interesting. Getting a bit of water around, alright. Clean up day today. Hopefully it won't happen again for a while. But you never know, the weather's all up the chute at the moment. They need to park their cars out there further up the street. Well, here I am, back at the same place, 7 days later. And where I was standing before, down there in the middle where that keep left sign was, gone way past. Here we are, Harvey Norman's is underwater. So much for the crash sale. I think there'll be a sale in there happening when this dries out. So there's mechanical. Way down there, Patrick Street is about 3.54, or just under 3.5 now. So she's gone up another 3 or 4 feet, I think, maybe more, maybe a metre more from last time. There's the big W up there, full of water. That's just all flooded out. Down there on that corner, there's a big wall that's about 2 metres high. So there you go. The water's hit that. It's gone way past there. It's gone on there. Now I'm meant to be down there having a look at the squash courts this morning. Varnishing the floor and sanding it. I might go and have a look and see what happened. So the weather's looking that flash at the moment. Looks like it's going to rain again. If it does that, probably won't be coming in again tomorrow. But this is by the RSL. There's the RSL car park. It's been right around. It's been right around here. That's it rushing there. It's running really fast. The road over Drayton Street, which is the main highway, has been coordinated step by step at the moment. People being very careful because the water's gone right across. Here's Drayton Street, the main road, going over the bridge. People having fun there or walking through the water. That water's gone right around the right hand side. Taken out one of the schools down that way. Cars have to go across here very carefully. This is down the end of Cunningham Street. Now the other day we never got water up this far. She's coming right out Wood Street here. Zooming across here. It's rumoured water's going to start going up again. So here we are down the end of Cunningham. This is where my darling lives. Her basement has gone up about another metre of water. Is it coming up or going down?
Steady at the moment.
Yeah, I reckon it might peak again.
Yeah. By the look of it.
Yeah, still sitting around, isn't it?
Well, actually, no, it's coming up. Oh, it's coming up.
Yeah, that's what they're saying. It might go up again. So I'm walking through the neighbour's yard to get to my darling's house. There she is up there, look, standing out on the lookout. She's the lighthouse keeper. So it would have gone up about another metre. How deep's she there? Yeah, okay, I'm going to get wet pants here. Look at that. Streaming through the back, right around, up to the waist around there now. Woohoo, this is going to be fun. Right up to the letterbox. Right up the road into Cunningham Street. This is the main street of Dalby. It's gone past where it was 7 days ago, and it's picking to be going up a bit further, so it's stable for a while, but by the look of the sky we may get a bit more rain. So this is not flowing fast here at the moment. She's sitting, and I guess it's because the Condamine River's pretty much flooded down the other end, which is a bit of a problem because you can't get the water out. So here we go. Stuck in the tree house again. Hello.
Hello, darling.
Here's a local resident. So here we have the backyard. Gone way up from where it was the other day. See, isn't it funny, eh? That dried up all the way down to the creek again. Oh, now it's come up again. Doesn't take a lot to turn this place into a big flooded area. That tank, that'll be up about a metre from the ground, I suppose, maybe a bit more. Not that flash, is it? Hey?
She doesn't think so. Spooky, eh, honey?
Mm.
Oh, it's spooky at night.
Tad spooky, and the weather's not looking flash either up there. Here we are under the house again. This time it's up to my thighs again. Washing still hanging on the line, stuff floating around. The doggy's mat. This is up to my thighs at the moment. I'll have to rescue that mower, I think. This is Edward Street. Now underneath all that water rushing through there at the moment is the weir. How's that, eh? It's going down towards the golf course. Down there. You've got helicopters going around taking shots. Everything's happening here. The road is closed. The road is definitely closed. Everyone's having a chat. So here we are again. This is flood 4 coming down from the Bunyas into Dalby. This is up the back of the shopping centre. Heading down, taking out the caravan park. Just about to head up the street here. You would have thought we'd had enough, and there's a storm coming again. So this is Saturday. Here we are on the other side of Patrick Street, watching the Woolworth car park being pumped out again. Now that water's just come up again. This is the 4th flood happening. 3rd one went last night, filled up and went down this morning, and this one's coming down again. 4th time in the space of a month. First one happened on 20th of December. We're now the 8th of January, and it's all just creeping up the road again. There's the house I painted, and that's there. Well, we're getting used to this, aren't we? This is the end of Cunningham Street once more. This house was in the news. Normally goes up about a metre when it gets to about 3. 3.54 I think it went to, went about a metre underneath the house. This is coming out of the backyard, so it surrounds it. And then it comes up through the drains on the front. And so here we have Cunningham Street starting to fill up again. Who knows what level we're going to get to tonight. You might need to get yourself a boat. Oh, there's one here.